You've missed your period, and you have just peed on the stick. Or maybe you have been trying to get pregnant. Either way, the test was positive. Now what's next? Most care providers will schedule your first prenatal appointment at the 8-week mark. So, what are you supposed to do in the meantime? In this video, we discuss what you can do while you wait for your first doctor's appointment. Number 1. Check all of your medications. Not all medications are safe to take while pregnant. Some pills like ibuprofen or Advil shouldn't be taken during pregnancy, and other medications may cause birth defects. If you are on medications for your health, check with your doctor as soon as possible to make sure they are safe to take while pregnant. And it's always better to be safe than sorry. Number 2. Make a doctor's appointment. Even if you have taken a dozen at-home pregnancy tests, you should confirm the pregnancy with an ultrasound. Discuss any health issues that could affect your pregnancy like diabetes, chronic problems, or any past pregnancy complications. Number 3. Give yourself time to process the news. At this point your pregnancy is confirmed, and you have a due date looming in your mind. However, it's perfectly natural, and even advisable, to take some time to process this information and come to terms with it. Being pregnant can mean major changes to your life plans, and it can also force you to come to terms with very difficult choices and feelings. Don't feel bad for wanting some time to work out these feelings and decide your next steps. Number 4. Get yourself some prenatal vitamins. If you haven't already, or your doctor or midwife hasn't prescribed one yet, you'll want to start taking prenatal vitamins as soon as possible. Prenatal vitamins contain all of the recommended daily vitamins and minerals a pregnant mom's body needs before and during pregnancy. This helps to ensure your growing baby also gets what he or she needs. In fact, some of the vitamins and minerals found in a prenatal vitamin can even help lessen the chance of birth defects. The sooner you start, the better. Number 5. Try to stay healthy. You have a long journey ahead of you during these 9 months, so it's important to take care of yourself and your baby before he or she is born. Unless you have health issues during your pregnancy, you should get mild regular exercise. Exercise promotes a healthy lifestyle and can ease discomfort. Try to get at least 30 minutes of exercise each day. Discuss this with your doctor about any conditions that may prevent exercise. Number 6. Focus on your nutrition and avoid certain foods. You're eating for you and growing a human inside of you. So it's important to get adequate nutrition for both you and your developing baby's whole health. Eating a balanced diet and a variety of food is one of the best things you can do for yourself and your baby. Don't limit yourself to only one kind of food or food group. There are certain foods that women who are pregnant should avoid. Be careful and avoid the following foods: raw and rare meats, sushi, raw eggs, fish, soft cheeses such as feta and brie, and unpasteurized milk. Caffeine is loved by many and is a sensitive item to give up. If you can, you don't want to drink more than 1 or 2 cups of caffeine or other drinks with caffeine in it each day. Number 7. Get plenty of rest. Ample sleep is important for you and your baby. Pregnancy can make you tired and fatigued, especially in the earlier weeks. It's important to listen to your body and get the rest you need. If you need to, take naps. Sleep in. Go to bed early. Do what you have to do to nurture your whole health throughout your pregnancy. Number 8. Keep track of your symptoms. Your body will go through many changes during your pregnancy and you might have some symptoms that pop up from time to time. From morning sickness to back pain and many others in between, it's important to keep track of your symptoms. And discuss them with your doctor to make sure that they fall within the normal range of a healthy pregnancy. Bringing a new life into the world is one of the hardest jobs, but it is also one of the most rewarding. So enjoy and celebrate these special months ahead. And hey, tell us your due date and the sex of your expectant baby in the comments section below. And thanks for watching Tiny Tribe Parents. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content that is on the way.